Hi guys, welcome back to the 100 days question practice. Today is day 5 and here's the question of find the runner-up score. Given the participant score sheet for your university sports day, you are required to find the runner-up score. You are given n scores, store them in a list and find the score of the runner-up. Okay, input format. The first line contains and the second line contains array like list of integers separated by space. Okay, the length of the players. This is the length of the players, and there is a list. So we need to find the second maximum value. Okay, and it can be duplicates. So first we will make a list, and now we will sort the array. We will sort the array. Now we will run this code, see what it comes. Okay, your output. Okay, now it turns into ascending order. Now see what happens here. We will remove the duplicates here and we'll set a new function here which is called set. So I expect it will remove the duplicates. I think yes, it removes the duplicates here. Now we will print the second last value here. We will print the second last value. So sorted set array will print here second last. It will be fine, I think. No, it's not. Yes, we'll have to print here, I think. -2. Yes, it works. Now let's unlist this code, and here's the answer. Okay, thank you guys for your support. Bye bye.